Now I keep the floor open for the Q&A. I would request you all to keep the questions limited only to ISPL and to the team. Thank you very much. Raise your hand. Go ahead.
From the team owner's perspective, how tough was it to like kind of let go of the winning squad and then go back into the auction, build up the team from scratch, find all kind of similar players, or what should the approach be?
Should we reveal what our strategy is? No, I'm saying no strategy meaning I think we're planning to retain based on last season, retain some key players, and unfortunately let go of some. And we have a wish list, and the auction is still on. I came here, and we're doing well so far. But yes, you feel bad to let go. It's a winning combination. It did well. But the exciting thing is to सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि जैसे नए लोगों को एक चांस देना और एक स्ट्रीट लेवल पे उन्हें एक स्टेडियम लेवल पर लाना is the core of the ISPL और ये सबसे exciting बात है.
Going ahead in terms of continuity, would you like to have this idea of having some sort of retentions in the number of squad of players?
I would like the idea of winning again, and to keep winning. Sorry, but what is your question? Can I answer?
Do you want to retain a certain number of players going ahead into the season, like 2 players retain or 3 players?
Yes, we would like to retain 4 players, to be precise.
Do you guys talk on cricket on the dining table? I don't know, do you come up with your opinions, strategies, and 2 of you?
About the ISPL?
Yeah, cricket, of course.
And cricket, we do sometimes. I think we do talk about the ISPL and to be honest with you, we talk about the ISPL as an investment. As an investment also that, and why it will be popular and how. My wife is very excited about the idea. But please you speak for yours. But we do talk about it.
I think it's perfect for Saif and me to be invested in the ISPL and be co-owners of Tigers of Kolkata as a team, because I think Saif, coming from a background of wonderful cricket, and for me also, I think to be together with Saif and own the team, I think it's really special. And thank you to Suraj for making it happen, and we're super excited about the second season because obviously we're entering as the winning team and hoping to always be the winning team and this time take the cup again. So the fight is on and the fight for the players are on, and I think we're already doing pretty well. We've got 2 of the ones that we wanted, and let's see, hopefully we'll have all the entire team that we want. And I think the first match is sometime in January.
Yeah, 26 January start.
26 January we start. तो आप लोग भी आओ देखने.
में सबसे हाईएस्ट बीट हुए थे और वो ही फाइनल में परफॉर्म नहीं किए थे, जो एक एडवांटेज मिल गया था कोलकाता को जीत का, क्योंकि सबको ऐसा था कि मुंबई में अगर अभिषेक खेला तो ही फाइनल जीतेगा. अभिषेक ने परफॉर्म नहीं किया और कोलकाता जीता. तो आर यू लुकिंग फॉर समवन लाइक अभिषेक दिलौर, क्योंकि जिस तरह से वो गेंदबाजी कर रहे थे पूरे टूर्नामेंट की स्टार्टिंग
We have a team and we have a panel, we have some experts and we have lot of people looking at statistics and ideas, and हमारा काफी सोच समझ के एक प्लान बनाया है, और उसके हिसाब से there are specialists of course, and there's tape ball specialists that we want, because tape ball is one of the most exciting overs. तो उसके हिसाब से we have a plan.
As the defending champions, the games, not at least in this season or in the future, to be played in Kolkata as well, considering the rich heritage of cricket that Kolkata has, the popularity cricket.
Yeah, we will move.
I mean, I'm sure we'll move. I mean, Calcutta is a passionate cricket crowd, and a lovely city. And I think since we have the name, it'll be a good idea. Yeah, I mean, of course, we would love to. Be a nice idea to travel around. No?
So we got registrations this year are going to be happening in 101 cities now for trials. So increasing the number of cities also, and we will travel with the games to multiple cities in the coming years. The idea to do it here again is because the logistics allows us to have it in one place, and there was a public demand from everybody to continue with this place. And probably next year we'll move to Calcutta or Hyderabad for sure.
Sir, here. So, जब आपको next है यहाँ पे, तो आपको पता है like you're really good as owners, क्योंकि your team are doing really well in IPL. So, are you thinking to plan owning a team in IPL as well?
Why not?
Why not?
Great idea.
What would the team would be?
the winning team.
Last question.
जी सैफ अली जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा हिंद समर्थन से शिबली रामपुरी कि आप क्रिकेट से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो असल ज़िंदगी में क्रिकेट को कितना पसंद करते हैं और क्या कभी कोई फिल्म बनाने का भी इरादा है क्रिकेट के ऊपर जिससे कि क्रिकेट और ज़्यादा बढ़े?
या नाइस क्वेश्चन. हम क्रिकेट से बहुत ही प्यार करते हैं, हमारे खून में है और बहुत ही मतलब एक इतना ग्रेट गेम है. और हर लेवल पे मुझे टेस्ट क्रिकेट भी पसंद है, वनडे क्रिकेट भी पसंद है, T20 भी पसंद है और टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट भी पसंद है, गली क्रिकेट भी पसंद है. सब अलग अलग टाइप के क्रिकेट पसंद है. हाँ, मैं हमेशा चाहता हूँ क्योंकि बहुत एक्साइटिंग स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म बनाना, बहुत मज़ा आएगा एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाने में क्रिकेट में. लेकिन अगर आपको ऐसे एक्टर्स मिले क्योंकि वो क्रिकेटर्स जितनी खूबसूरती से गेंद को मारते हैं, खेलते हैं, जिस हिसाब से फील्डिंग होती है, ग्रेट बॉलर्स जिस हिसाब से बॉलिंग करते हैं, अगर आप वो किसी एक्टर से करवा सकें तो आप फिल्म बनाएं ज़रूर.
Your son is more excited. You talk about his son being so excited about the team. He's the most excited when he came. Yes, sir.
क्या? Yes. No, I think a biography of my dad would be a great idea. All my children are so excited about cricket also. Tim Jahangir, little boy, wanted to come today because he's got a Tigers jersey and he wanted to come. The thing about playing people, great cricketers, is you need an actor who can do that, who can bat like that, who can have the style like that. And of course, Tiger Saab was 21 when he was captain of India, so I am a little old to play him, unfortunately. So we need a nice, young, very handsome, very good actor to play. And if we find that, if someone finds that, then it's a lovely story. It's the greatest sporting comeback story in the history of cricket. I mean, nobody's played cricket with one eye, so it would be a great game.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.